Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not forwarded from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you already know the deal, my babes. My dad yourself a telling a while go on for not to go on. You see me? So obviously this TCN business with America sending deportees to Jamaica is a big issue. You see me, I say, not for the politicians because they have no issues lying to Uno, but it's an issue for the local Africans that call themselves black Jamaicans. You see me, I say, because if Uno don't give the government, JOP, the go ahead to sign this agreement, they're going to revoke ordinary citizens' visas. You see, Marcia, and that's going to affect the whole decision process because 90% of Jamaicans is black, 90% of those black Jamaicans are poor, and they look to cross the border, whether through visa illegally, to head to America, so them can go make money and send back money and to make a life for themselves. You see, Marcia, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Me want to say poverty, but this is what you call foreign policy, and these are the policies they use against Jamaica. So they can bend over and bend down and walk on their knees. You see me, I say sort of like what they did to Michael Manley in the 70s, 80s, sanction embargoes, property taxes raised. You see me, I say, so this is the first move America would do to get to comply. Revoking the visa, and if that don't work, sanction the embargoes upon the blood clot, you see me. But nevertheless, Mr. Vegas is calling out FOOTA hype, one asylum seeker, because he has so much things to say about the government of Jamaica, about this secret deal, you see me.
But our government secretly engaged in signing an agreement for the United States of America to dump deportees who aren't even Jamaicans to Jamaica. My question is, if you have nowhere to put up Jamaican people who were stranded after the hurricane, and which party are going to put them 10,000 deportees who come from other countries? He must have got designate piece of land to build and erect a community for these deportees. But you sign into an agreement and you have to fulfill what you promise.
So Mr. Vegas said, can you imagine an asylum seeker in the US having a say in this matter? Deportees. Now my question to Uno people, because look on this, Guyana, all of these third world countries, I was forced to accept these things, you know what I mean? Guyana is accepting, deportees that got skills, because they are lacking, skilled laborers, you feel what I mean? And them needed to fill the aisle market. Them need about 90,000 people. So my question to Jamaica, what is the big deal with Jamaica accepting non-national deportees? This is how the out of many one scam matter came about, because when Chinese and indentured servants were sent to Jamaica, they wasn't considered Jamaicans only after the fact. You see me, I say, yeah, only know what me a chat about. Anyway, people, I'm just giving you a quick update while I go on flat to go on, you see me. Don't forget to check out these next suggested videos in the sip on the screen. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. Turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bliss.